I'm Larry, owner of 360 Tours Live. We specialize in creating immersive 3D virtual tours designed to elevate your online presence and streamline property tours for your facility. We produce 3D virtual tours for Google business profiles, custom branded 3D tours for websites, and integrate new live hosting technology for Zoom-like meetings directly within the 3D tour. This is perfect for senior living communities. This live hosting tour feature is an innovative solution that allows coordinators to maximize their time by hosting virtual showings while reducing the need for extensive in-person property showings. Plus, it minimizes any airborne illnesses brought in by visitor traffic. So this is a virtual tour that we produced. We'll go right directly into the entrance of the property. I'm going to lower the toggle so that you can see more of the 360 photography, which is all shot in 4K. So you can have this walking tour with people that you send a link to. So the way that I would do is I send the link out to potential clients who are interested in a virtual tour. You're able to have them connect just like the way we're doing right now, but their photo or their video would be showcased on the top right-hand corner, just like a Zoom meeting. And you can walk through a property and showcase your property the way it should be showcased, and you're controlling it just the way I'm controlling this virtual tour. Shows you the layout. At any time, you can go into any virtual 360 photo. For this case, I want to go outside because in this facility, it had beautiful landscaping walking tours. What we did also, we incorporated 360 drone photography. So we took 360 photos from the air to showcase the property. Again, this was a facility that had very beautiful backyard, and we wanted to highlight that. Everything is customized, so anything you need from drone photography to real estate professional photography, 360 photography, we can do that. If you have any questions, please feel to visit us at 360tourslive.com. Call or text us at 760-672-2804. Thank you very much.